What's up, guys? Welcome back to another muscle car walk around here at Coyote Classics. Today Chad and I are trying to beat the snow and get a video of this 1971 Le Mans GT37 Tribute. Such a neat car. When they did the restoration, they kind of turned this thing into a resto mod with four-wheel disc brakes, a 400, and a beautiful paint job.
Oh my gosh, I love the car. I love the color on this car, the striping of it, the rear spoiler. Just a fantastic turnkey show quality muscle car, Dalton.
Yeah, definitely a quality car.
The neat thing is you don't see too many 71 Le Manses at all, and then to see one done with the beautiful stance that this car has, the awesome wheels, the four-wheel disc brakes, the 400 under the hood. Yeah, it's got it all.
It does, and I love that GT37 stripe package. It's something that you don't see. First off, GT37 is a really rare car. Kind of the answer, it's kind of the poor man's GTO,
yeah,
really.
Yeah.
So there wasn't a whole lot of them made. You don't see too many. The fact that this one's not a real one really doesn't matter to me. I love the stripe package, love the hood tack, love the way they did it.
Yeah, the wheels are just an excellent complement to this car. As we go underneath the hood, and this has got factory air conditioning, guys, power steering, four-wheel power disc brakes, and the air conditioning is all completely hooked up. I'm going to go ahead and turn the air conditioning on to see if that compressor kicks in, Dalton. It's powered by a 400 V8 automatic transmission. Yep, kicks right in. So we did go ahead and check the air conditioning out, kicks right in. I'm sorry about the little sprinkles here in the paint, guys. As soon as we get this car video done, we're going to take it back into our showroom, wipe it all down from front to back, and get it ready for your garage. It's got a new interstate battery in it. As we go along the inner fenders, the inner fender paint is perfect. Cowl paint is in nice shape.
Chad and I have been on kind of a COVID furlough for the last week, so we tried to get in here today. It was supposed to be nice and get some videos done. I got a little sprinkles, but
yeah, we are on the old COVID furlough. But all right, as we go ahead and look at the front to back, the front gap is just awesome. Lines up beautifully to the top of the hood, top of the fender. Front bumper is also in great shape. The grille is fantastic. Again, I'm going to apologize one more time for the little sprinkles, but the paint on this car is fantastic. Both gaps are in really nice shape from front to back. What size tires do we have? Can you see that? 245, 40, 18s on the front, and they are the drilled and slotted rotors. It's got the air dam here with the GT37, which is cool. The GTOs also had that.
And as far as tire size, we got 20s on the back, 275, 40, 20.
275, 40, 20s on the back. Really nice gap here from top to bottom also on the front of the passenger side door. We have the dual sport mirrors. They went ahead, when they did the paint job, put all new rubbers around the mirrors. It's got the 400 badges with the rocker molding. Bottom of the car and paint is excellent. Like I said earlier, I mean, this car can definitely go to any show and be super proud of it. Tinted windows?
Yeah, tinted windows are nice too. Only flaw I noticed, like with the hood gap, lines up great as far as like gap. Just towards the back, a lot of them do. Just like right there, sticks up a little bit.
Very, very minor there. Windshield looks nice and clean. All our chrome around the windshield looks awesome. It's got the hidden wipers down there. Over the wheel well, I mean, these wheels tuck in there very nicely. I can put my fingers just right in between there and the tire. It's close, but finger width apart. Check out the width of those wheels.
I like those Coy wheels. I hope we get some cars from them on there. They're really sharp looking. Set of shoes.
Door handle has just a few little scuffs in it. Looks to be the original. As we go ahead and open up the door jamb paint looks awesome, guys. Very nice job on that. Corner of the door looks good. Bottom of the door is really solid. Door rubbers were replaced. The roof rail rubber was replaced, and so is the quarter rubber as well. Dome light works. They did go ahead and forget to replace this rubber right here, the little U-shaped rubber, which is available. Jam paint looks just as nice as the rest of the car. Inside the inner fender here is all solid. Bottom corner of the door looks good. Dash pad is in really nice shape. As far as the seat goes, the top of the back seat shows a little wear by the package tray, we noticed. Just, you can't see it from here, but by the package tray. Dome light's good, visor's in really good shape, headliner is very nice and tight, no holes or rips. As far as it does have the overhead seat belts, front door panels, back door panels, and back seat is all in great shape. Carpet is older as well. I'm gonna say this is, if this is not the original interior, it was done probably in the 80s, maybe 90s. You can see some wear on the on that carpet. It's got the nice Pontiac floor mats. It does have it, and I didn't see it from until I sat down, but it does have a split in the seat right here, very front. It's got a nice aftermarket Pontiac wheel, Kenwood CD player. We talked about it, the heat and the air work. Clock does not work. It's got 61,647 miles on the odometer. Gas gauge works as well. Rear view mirror is nice and tight, and it does have the antenna in the windshield. Really nice Le Mans door panels. I like that no one cloned this for a GTO.
Yeah.
What do you think about the body, Dalton? I mean, isn't that a fantastic shine with an excellent straight body?
Yeah, it is. Very straight body. The paint looks mild deep on it too. Really nice paint job, and I like the color choice.
Went ahead with the correct Pontiac exhaust tips like a GTO would have. I've never seen a spoiler on one of these Pontiacs like this, and I absolutely love it.
Yeah, it's the GT37 spoiler.
Really? Have you done a little research on that?
Okay. GT37 spoiler, and it's super sharp. I like that better than the high-rise Seffi Judge spoiler. Definitely
going to use the spoiler on the next Pontiac. I wonder if they had that in the 70s as well as the 71s, do you know?
Oh, I'm not positive on that. I do know the 71.
Really nice gap here, guys, from front to back. And I know we got a few sprinkles. It's kind of a cloudy day, but like Dalton said, the paint is a mile deep on it. And I haven't really seen any chips on this passenger side whatsoever. Back bumper is super clean. Very nice chrome on the back bumper. Driver's side's just as straight and nice as the passenger. Tim did go ahead, guys, and buff this car completely out. So when it came in, we did buff it all out. There's undercarriage pictures of it on website, coyoteclassics.com. This is a really nice choice Pontiac.
Yeah, it is. I like it.
Really has a nice idle as well. You know, it's not too high. One thing that is not working, guys, is the hood tachometer. It's painted, to match. The new tachs are about 230 bucks. I did find the first chip on it that I seen. It has been touched up, but it has a little chip right there. A really nice gap. We open up that driver's door. It's got all the correct stoppers on it. All new rubbers. Corner of that door's never had any filler in it. The restorer of this car started with a really nice original solid car. We have another little rip in the seat, driver's side. The seat overall, guys, as we look at the headrests and we look at the seat back and everything and the cord here, really in nice shape. I wouldn't replace it, but it does have those two spots. Factory GM seat belts in the front. How about that heater? Feels nice and warm in here too. Day like today, we do need the wipers. Wipers work fine, park correctly.
Put like an aftermarket Pontiac steering wheel on it too. I like that, looks nice.
It's nice for bigger guys.
It definitely
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It doesn't have tilt column, guys, but as far as, you know, a lot of leg room, a lot of headroom in this car.
Yeah. These are a comfortable car too.
Oh yeah. You always hear us say that. I mean, I love my Chevelles, but the GTOs and the 442s and the Buick Grand Sports, I mean, they just seem to ride and drive just a little.
Olds Pontiac made a more luxury type car, I'd say.
Yeah.
I mean, they just seem to be a little bit more comfortable.
Grant's got that kick down working properly. That 400 just purrs.
It sounds good. It's smooth too, isn't it?
That shifter, that transmission shifts beautifully. We do have, the steering wheel needs to be straightened, guys. We have a really nice alignment on the car, but the steering wheel is just at a little different angle here.
I find that a lot with these aftermarket steering wheels. They never get put on just quite right.
I kind of find that a lot when Tim does it, though.
When Tim does it, Tim does it.
Sorry, guys, but... All right, as far as going down the road, look at this. I mean, we do have one finger on the wheel, but it goes down the road awesome. Speedometer works perfectly, 70 mile an hour right there. Another thing we want to talk about is wind noise. We got a windy day today. There is a little wind noise, but not much at all, guys. Very quiet in here.
Yeah, really, compared to a lot of cars, not too bad at all.
Brand's got that kick down working at 70 mile an hour. We punch it to the floor, kicks down. We're at 80 right now.
I love that exhaust. It does sound really good too.
It does. Besides that steering wheel not being quite straight, this is a fantastic car.
Yeah, it is.
It drives awesome.
It is. I'm really impressed with the way it drives.
Check the
handles,
brakes out.
sounds.
So we got 4-wheel disc brakes. Look at that. I mean, I know a lot of people like adding those back disc brakes, and I always kind of tell them I don't know if it's worth the money, but the way this car stops, it for people that aren't super comfortable, it's worth the money.
Exactly. That's the biggest thing getting into these classic cars is from the new cars to the old cars, especially if they don't have 4-wheel disc brakes, the way it stops is a huge difference.
Yeah,
so
definitely
nice to have, especially for newer classic car owners.
This car, guys, with this 400 gets up and rock and rolls. I mean, you're going to be very happy with the performance of this car. You're going to be extremely happy with the paint, and the interior just fits the whole car perfectly. Really nice shape.
I agree. Just a quality car all the way around. Guys, check it out on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Give us a call, 641-816-3145. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram for more classic car updates.